Have you been searching for a hand truck dolly that actually lives up to the hype? Something built to last, performs flawlessly, and truly gives you value for every dollar spent? Well, you're in the right place. You are watching Review the Best Buy, where we dig deep into real product performance so you can make smarter and more confident choices. In today's countdown, I'll be showcasing the top 5 best hand truck dolls you can get right now, comparing their features, build quality, ease of use, and genuine pros and cons that most reviews never tell you. Whether you're watching from anywhere across the world, this review is made to help you find the one that perfectly fits your needs and budget. So stay tuned till the very end because our number one pick might just surprise you. And as always, all the latest prices and official links are waiting for you down below in the description box. Now let's jump straight into the list and find out which one truly deserves to be called Review the Best Buy. We're starting strong. Number 5 sets the tone for this entire list. We're starting strong. Number 5 sets the tone for this entire list. Number 5 Colorful Hope 330 pounds weight capacity telescoping handle folding truck dolly cart with rubber wheels. Stylish, dependable, and perfect for everyday use. A perfect example that quality doesn't always have to come with a premium price tag. Colorful Hope 330 pounds capacity telescoping handle folding truck dolly cart offers a convenient and reliable way to move bulky items with ease whether you are in the USA or anywhere else around the world because it blends sturdy build quality, smooth mobility, and compact storage into one package that works for home, apartment, or professional use. This cart supports up to 330 pounds, which makes it suitable for carrying furniture, boxes, appliances, or boxes of heavy goods without much strain. Telescoping handle adjusts to comfortable heights and folds down neatly for storage or transport, which helps if you have limited space or need to keep the cart in a shed or car trunk. The rubber wheels roll smoothly over indoor floors or outdoor paths, and the durable frame feels solid even when loaded. A major benefit is how much easier heavy lifting becomes, reducing risk of injury and saving time during moves or deliveries. Another advantage is the portability. Many users find it easy to fold, lift, and carry when empty, which makes it handy for delivery jobs or quick rearrangements. On the downside, the weight limit, while decent, may feel limiting for very heavy furniture or industrial items, and users should secure items properly as the flat platform offers no side support, so loads may shift if not fastened carefully. Also, the wheels perform best on smooth surfaces. Rough terrain can feel bumpy and reduce ease of movement. Even with these considerations, the dolly remains a versatile and useful tool for most tasks at home or work. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. Moving up the list, this next one redefines modern design and innovation. Number 4 Meet SIMPLI-MAGIC 2-in-1 Convertible Hand Truck and Dolly Heavy-Duty Moving Dolly with weight capacity 800 pounds. Built with precision, packed with smart features, and trusted by thousands of users worldwide for its remarkable reliability. The SIMPLI-MAGIC 2-in-1 Convertible Hand Truck and Dolly with 800 pounds capacity brings serious strength and versatility to moving tasks whether you are shifting heavy furniture, appliances, or large boxes in the USA or anywhere else worldwide and need reliable help without hiring professional movers. This heavy-duty dolly converts easily from a standard upright hand truck to a flat dolly platform, which gives you flexibility depending on the item you move. Tall shelving fits well in upright mode and bulky loads slide smoothly on the platform. The sturdy frame and wide wheelbase give confidence when handling heavy loads, and the heavy-duty wheels roll smoothly across flat floors, driveways, or loading areas, which reduces strain and saves time. A big benefit is how much easier heavy lifting becomes, especially for bulky items that are difficult to carry by hand. Another advantage is the versatility. One tool replaces two, making it helpful for homeowners, renters, delivery jobs, or small businesses alike. On the downside, its size and weight make it less ideal for tight staircases or narrow hallways, and storing it when not in use may require space. Also, converting between modes takes a bit of time and care, so it is not as immediate as a simple fixed cart. Some users may find that max capacity is generous, but pushing full loads across uneven terrain requires effort. Even with those points, this convertible dolly stands out for power, practicality, and convenience for many typical moving and transport needs. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. We're halfway through, and number 3 has proven itself to be a real crowd favorite. Number 3 Ironton Steel Pneumatic Hand Truck Dolly 10-inch tire with weight capacity 600 pounds. Combines functionality, performance, and comfort into one perfect package. The Ironton Steel Pneumatic Hand Truck Dolly with a weight capacity of 600 pounds is a dependable choice for anyone who needs strong and steady support while moving heavy items in homes, warehouses, garages, or job sites across the USA and around the world because it combines a solid steel frame with large pneumatic tires that help it roll smoothly even when the load feels demanding. This dolly handles boxes, appliances, tools, and stacked goods with ease, and the curved back frame gives better support for rounded items, which helps them stay secure as you move. 10-inch pneumatic tires soften bumps and make it easier to push across driveways or rougher paths, which is helpful if you often work outdoors. One of the biggest advantages is its durability, since the steel construction feels stable under heavier loads and offers long-term value for regular use. It is also easy to control, which makes lifting and transporting safer and more comfortable for most users. On the downside, its steel build makes it heavier to lift and carry when empty, and the larger tires need occasional air checks, which may be inconvenient for some people. It also works best on moderate terrain, and very uneven ground can still slow movement. Another point to consider is that the frame is designed for tall loads, so smaller items may need straps to keep them steady. Even with these small limitations, the dolly stands out as a strong practical tool for moving heavy items with confidence at home or at work. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. Now the competition gets tighter. Number 2 stands just one step away from perfection. Number 2 Leeyoung Folding Hand Truck and Dolly Aluminum Portable Cart with Telescoping Handle, weight capacity 309 pounds. It's engineered for professionals, designed for performance, and built to last. A top-tier product that nearly took the crown. The Leeyoung Folding Hand Truck and Dolly Aluminum Portable Cart with a telescoping handle is a versatile tool that makes moving moderate loads easier and more comfortable whether you are in the USA or anywhere around the world, because it strikes a balance between portability, convenience, and everyday practicality. This cart supports up to 309 pounds, which works well for moving luggage, boxes, plants, small appliances, or groceries without heavy lifting. The lightweight aluminum frame keeps it easy to carry when empty, and the telescoping handle adjusts smoothly to comfortable heights while folding down compactly for storage or travel. The wheels roll smoothly on flat floors, pavements, or gentle slopes, which helps reduce effort when moving loaded items. A clear benefit is how handy it becomes for small moves, shopping, or apartment living where a full-size dolly might feel bulky. Another plus is how fast it folds and unfolds, which adds to convenience when you need quick transport. On the downside, the weight limit means it may not suit heavy furniture or large appliances that require higher capacity equipment. The aluminum build, while light, feels less rugged than heavy-duty steel tools under constant heavy loads. Some users may also find the small platform limiting when carrying irregularly shaped or bulky items. Despite those limitations, the Leeyoung folding cart remains a useful, affordable, and easy-to-store option for everyday lifting and moving needs for many households. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. And finally, the ultimate pick. The one that leads the market, wins the reviews, and earns the trust. Number 1 COSCO Shifter Multi-Position Folding Hand Truck and Cart, weight capacity 300 pounds. This is where performance meets perfection. Unmatched quality, next-level durability, and real-world results, making it the undisputed king on demand. COSCO Shifter Multi-Position Folding Hand Truck and Cart offers a simple and practical way to move everyday loads with ease, which makes it a helpful tool for homes, offices, and small businesses across the USA and worldwide because it blends strength, convenience, and smooth portability in one compact design. It supports up to 300 pounds, which is enough for moving boxes, small furniture, cases of drinks, or work supplies without putting stress on your back, and the quick switch between upright mode and flat cart mode adds flexibility for different tasks. The lightweight frame folds down fast and stores neatly in a closet, trunk, or garage, which makes it great for people with limited space or frequent travel. The smooth rolling wheels handle indoor floors and outdoor paths with minimal effort, which helps make moving simple for users of many ages. Clear advantage is how easy it is to operate since the design is simple and does not require tools or assembly. Another plus is how durable it feels for most home and office tasks. On the downside, the platform size may feel small for very large or wide items, and the weight capacity may not be enough for heavy appliances or demanding warehouse use. Some users may also wish for larger wheels when rolling across rough ground. Even with those limitations, the COSCO shifter remains a smart, reliable, and user-friendly choice for anyone who needs a folding cart that saves time, space, and effort for everyday moving tasks. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.